Hi there, I'm Anna and welcome to Paragon Honda. I'm here to introduce to you our newest addition to the custom builds, the 2018 Honda Accord Touring, the most impressive Honda yet, and it's voted 2018 North American Car of the Year. Designed with a European fastback, confidence-inspiring rain or shine, its sophistication meets efficiency. It has a strong front stance with a spectacular black chrome sports grille. Bottoms up with an underbody spoiler side. And to top things off, you'll be cruising on 19-inch alloy wheels. Let's move inside this iconic automobile. It has luxurious leather interior and an active noise cancellation, contributing to an incredibly quiet and quality-infused experience. A custom Bluetooth hands-free link and Honda Link with smartphone integration gives you quick access to contacts, tunes, and more. A newly added head-up display ensures everything is at your fingertips with ease and style. What are you waiting for? Give us a call or visit us in store or via our innovative Paragon Direct, where we deliver to you personally, home or business. This Accord Touring is waiting for you. Come and give it a spin.